Humanity is barreling towards a climate catastrophe, and our addiction to fossil fuels is the accelerator. A shocking new report reveals that last year, the world burned a record-breaking amount of oil, gas, and coal, sending greenhouse gas emissions soaring to unprecedented levels. This isn't just a statistic, it's a dire warning from leading scientists who paint a grim picture of our planet's future. But here's where it gets even more alarming. This surge in fossil fuel use directly fueled the extreme weather events that devastated communities worldwide in 2024: scorching heat waves, ferocious storms, catastrophic floods, and raging wildfires. And this is the part most people miss. The report highlights that these aren't isolated incidents, they are symptoms of a planet in distress. Ocean temperatures are hitting record highs, decimating coral reefs, while ice sheets are melting at an alarming rate and forests are disappearing at an unprecedented pace. The scientists behind this report, published in the journal Bioscience, don't mince words. They declare that the planet's vital signs are flashing red, and the window to prevent the worst consequences of climate change is rapidly slamming shut. William Ripple, a leading climate scientist and co-author of the report, emphasizes the urgency. The climate crisis has reached a really dangerous stage. We need to limit future warming as rapidly as possible. But is it too late? Ripple offers a glimmer of hope. He believes there's still time to mitigate the damage, but it requires a radical shift. We need to transition to clean energy sources, embrace sustainable transportation, reduce our reliance on meat and dairy, and fundamentally change our relationship with the planet. Here's the controversial part. While some countries, like China, are making impressive strides in renewable energy adoption, others, like the United States under the Trump administration, are actively promoting fossil fuel production, threatening to derail global progress. This raises a crucial question: can we overcome the resistance of powerful interests and implement the bold, coordinated action needed to avert disaster? The upcoming UN climate conference in Brazil could be a pivotal moment. Will nations commit to the transformative changes required, or will they continue to prioritize short-term economic gains over the long-term health of our planet? This isn't just about cutting emissions, it's about rethinking our entire way of life. As Ripple aptly puts it, it calls for deep, systemic change in how societies value nature, design economies, consume resources, and define progress. The clock is ticking. The choices we make today will determine the world we leave for future generations. What side of history will you be on?